Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. I hope that those are watching my video, all of you are doing pretty fine. So right now I have come to see my grandfather's cabbage field. So as you can see, I'm standing here. Actually this is a vegetable field, and back of me, look, there are some onion plants, and over there in the side, look here, there are some cabbage plant over there. So, and I'd like to show you some banana trees. Look over there, there are some banana trees. Look around me, there are so many banana trees over there. So I'd like to show you some cabbage plant. Do you know the cabbage? Yeah, cabbage হচ্ছে কপি, বাঁধাকপি এবং cauliflower মানে হচ্ছে ফুলকপি. So I'd like to show you some cauliflower and cabbage. So as you can see over there, there are some cabbage plant. Look here, there are some cabbage plant over there on this bank, and here you can see there are some garlic plants. Look over there, there are some garlic plants over there, and I'd like to show you some onion plants. Look over there, these are garlic plants. Look over there. Actually I have come to visit this field. Actually all of you know that I'm a shop worker. Actually I work in a pesticide shop, so that's why I have come to this visit vegetable field. Actually what is the condition of this field? So my grandfather told me that my vegetable has some problem, so sometimes you can visit my vegetable field. So that's why today I have come to this field and visiting this condition of this vegetable field. And I'd like to show you some potato plants. Look over there, there are some potato plant here. Look in the side, there are some potato plants. And actually my grandfather is a great farmer. He always try to cultivate different types of vegetables, and I'd like to show you in the side. Here you can see, maybe he will implant here some potatoes, and over there he will grow there some arum. So that's why he has prepared his soil. So as you can see the condition of this land. So actually this is a farmland, and maybe he will grow here different types of vegetables. So no more today's video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.